first three stages, you guys were able to move the character by putting in coordinates, and then you'll be able to use it with the up, down, left, right keys. Now we want to be able to control the sprite with the mouse. So it's becoming more of an actual game now. You can use the mouse to move the character, and then we're going to have objects bounce off the mouse. So you're going to play a game where I'm going to show you in the overhead what it's going to look like when you're done. So this is stage 4. You're also going to change the background. So in the background before, we would just do the sound. Now we're actually going to change the color of the background. So if you watch on the overhead, what you're going to do is use the space bar to start the game. We kind of done that last week. And then you can now move the cat with the mouse. So the object of the game is to keep the letters, which says virus, from touching the bottom of the server. So if you miss it, it'll go against you. Oh no. If you do it so many times in a row, keeping it up there, then you win the game. Otherwise, if you let the letters touch the ground, you'll lose the game. So a little different than before. Moving the character with the mouse is a lot better than with the arrow keys. It's a lot smoother. So let's look through the code really quick in the book, and I'll explain a couple things, and then I'll show you what the stage 5 game looks like. So on 67 is when you're going to program the letters. So it's the word virus. So those are the letters that are going to be falling down. That gray panel you see on 67, you're not going to see that on your screen. So if you're wondering when you get to that point, why aren't I seeing this gray panel that says virus, that doesn't show up. So you'll just write the code like you normally would, but you're not going to see that panel come up. So make sure when you're running your code, it's starting to get longer scripts now. One little mistake in the script is really going to throw things off. So make sure you're paying attention to the little numbers in the book. It'll tell you how many scripts there should be for each character, each sprite. So like for the virus one, you'll see 1, 2, 3 on that page. If you turn to page 68, you have 4 and 5. So for the virus, you can have 5 scripts of code. So make sure that you're getting the right number of code. Also, when you have multiple lines together, like if you notice the green and orange ones together, some of them have a less than or greater than sign. If you mix that up, it's going to throw your game off. So if you mix up one little thing in the code, it's really going to throw you off. Perfect timing for game 5, soccer game. So if you guys watched the game yesterday, good timing. So with this game, you're going to create the script for a target. So you're going to have a bullseye. It's going to be flying around. If you want to watch real quick on the overhead, you're going to have the target flying around, and you hit the spacebar when you want to kick a goal. So as soon as it's in a good spot, kick the goal. So you're going to program the coordinates for the target. You're going to program the ball, the character, even the net. So when the ball touches the net, it's going to say goal. Or if I accidentally kick it right at him, oh, he still missed that one. See how good.
Why is he so bad?
He's pretty bad. He's a bad goalie. Oh, I missed. So if you kick it right at him, obviously it missed. So now the game's getting a little more interactive. You got the waves crashing on the beach there. You got the clouds moving. So there's a lot more scripts involved in this one, but it's nothing more that you haven't done. So it just might be more lines of code. No, you got to go to the file on the gray toolbar on top. File upload. Close this. And then file. Down. Go to upload. Uh-oh. Refresh it.
What do we do?
And then here. C drive. I got the wrong one. You only took away the wrong drive. C drive. Double click that. Now double click the scratch. Double click it again. Open that folder. And then switch that to. You guys sharing the book? Got another one. Everywhere. Plenty of them. You just don't want to share.